Guys, actually that was literally perfect timing. What is going on, guys? My name is Sunny and you are watching Gaming with Sunny. Right when we're playing Turbo Prop Flight Simulator, you can literally see that. Bold handwriting. Actually, not handwriting. In bold writing right in the top middle of the screen. So, can you shut up, MC400? Yeah, it's the MC400. What the heck? Oh yeah, it's the. I'm gonna fly wherever the RLs. Oh wait, I'm flying the RL-72. By the way, the time I started this recording, what am I doing right now? The time I started this recording was literally perfect. So if you don't know, I use X Recorder. It sounds like I'm a big YouTuber, revealing that I use this recorder. It gives you a countdown for, okay, why am I saying this on the first, actually, ninth video? Don't question the first.
500.
But like, it gives you a countdown, and the countdown ended. I'm sorry,
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Great butcher landing, I guess that was Reiner. Reiner approved, by the way. That will count as a butcher landing because it's Reiner approved. Oh my god, I'm literally laughing. I can turn on my camera. Okay. But I will just look weird. So this is my face if you don't know. This is my face if you don't know, so I'm just gonna turn it off. That's better. So we're literally right now. This looks, oh my god. Stop. The throttle, it's so hard to control. So now, right now, I actually want to, like, you know, crash. So let's do it. We have that's a lot of runway. So we can just, take off. Okay, wait, is this RL-72? I think this is an RL-72. Oh yeah, this is an RL-72. Excuse me, RL-72. Please stop making these noises or I literally crash. Well, I am crashing anyways, so. Oh my god, that was like steep. That was get to a lot high. So then I can close the landing gears. This is look at that stuff. Yeah, I'm literally 500. So I'm gonna cause like a disaster to happen. So I don't think a disaster to happen. I'm gonna land at the airport, by the way. So let's get down. I'm gonna attempt a landing. Okay, I'm not gonna land over here, but oh god. Okay, I know there's a terrain. There's a terrain warning popping up. Well, obviously. Oh god. This is harder than you think. This is harder than you think. Good, I'm a professional player, so let's get to a 74% throttle. Wait, I want to do something real quick. So let me just do something real quick. So let's try to barrel. I barrel. Oh no! I wanted to barrel roll, but they don't let me. Can I? Oh. I kind of barrel rolled, but I want to literally like crash my wing or something. Let's just go down with this. Oh shit! Yeah, that failed. So now let's try to do it while approaching the runway. I'm just gonna do it right now.
Full of terrain. Terrain. Banking
Let's
terrain.
do this.
Banking.
Guys, oh no! Let's try to collide with this expansion bridge. I guess that will work. I'm gonna collide with the mountain or something. This is harder than you think, guys. Okay, this is hard. Okay, I'm not gonna use this aircraft. Oh my god, I just got an idea. So let's go here. Let's go short, because this is the biggest airport I've ever seen in life. I have been to very big airports. This is one of the biggest I've been to big airports. Let's go to Terminus. I just want to see. I just want to go to Terminus. And let's check the map real quick. So it's obviously new. So I need to get in a vehicle to. Where's the cam? Should I choose zoom in? Which is that cam? I just want to see. Is that cam? $100, $50, $40, $30, $20, $10. No, I don't want to open. You can just see the other. Just switch into person and get at it. I don't care. Oh my god, this is so yeah. Let me just check how long this video has been. 7 minutes already. I hate steering. It's so hard to spin. Why would you do this? I want to see the Terminus. And oh my god, I'm going to go fall into the ocean. Wait, this is near the ocean, so you know what I think? Yeah, you guys might not be thinking what I'm thinking. I'm thinking something crazy. Let's get the APC. You guys even know what that'll do. So let's brake. So that is okay. So let's gas pedal. Oh no! I forgot to collide with the mouse. Okay. So I don't think it's good. It's definitely not colliding with that. So guys, I have an idea. Well, this definitely works. Well, this obviously works, but I just want to see. I want to go in the ocean. I've never actually done this. Is there anything in the hammer? I want to see. No. Okay, nope. APC says no. If the APC says no, then it's no. It's a direct no. If the APC says no. Okay, this is pretty to go in the ocean. It's like a slope. Oh god, is there just like a... No, actually no. Oh my god. In the ocean, I'm gonna brake! Oh, this I can actually go in the water. I think I can actually go in water. Casual drifts. Okay, let's brake! Okay. Feel like... in the opposite direction, but I don't like. I like it how I like this feature. I like this feature a lot. So let's get back to the airport. It's funny how these things can be used in the water. I was literally just thinking how this works. Just in turn. So I actually want to see. Okay, we're definitely in a new place. So where are we right now? There's some. I want to see this one. I want to see this one here. I want to see where this thing is. Okay, there's 3 runways, I guess. There's 1. Okay, so yeah. That's all for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.